Filmfare has celebrated excellence in the movies for a long time. This is our 61st year, and we hope to carry on the legacy that was started way back in the 50s. This year has been fantastic, primarily because you have the huge blockbusters films which did excellent business. It was a combination of style and substance. You had Deepika's Piku, you had Ranveer with his Dil Dhadakne Do, and you had so many films. I mean, every film which came, there was a lot to think about, and you had the offbeat, you had the mainstream, you had a lot of commercial films, and yet I think this year has certainly found a balance in the kind of, and our juries on the 15th of January, which is the day of the Filmfare Awards, will surely have a tough time deciding. The Bajirao Mastani team, which I'm so fond of, there is a commonality between the two. They're both our sensational debut winners. So I think a round of applause to both of them. Their on-screen chemistry is sheer magic, and as you've seen in the promos of Bajirao, you see that irresistible chemistry that everyone talks about, and Ranveer's making strange faces at me.
You just wish it was you instead of me.
Absolutely. And Deepika's revealing all my deep dark secrets. So besides, we promised to do a dub smash. Besides Bajirao dub smash, I mean, extremely honored to have Deepika and Ranveer amongst us. And Deepika, this year has been fantastic for you with Piku and Tamasha, and I hope your success streak and wonderful performances continue even with Bajirao. And Ranveer has moved from strength to strength, so great going. And like I said, Filmfare is on the 15th of Jan, and we need your blessings and good wishes as always. And I hope all of you will continue to support us as you have year after year. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Indeed, a pleasure to be around here and kick things off with Filmfare. I think this is an association which is now going to go into its second year, and we are very happy to associate with Filmfare as title sponsors for Britannia Filmfare Awards 2015. There are two passions that India has, right? There is food and then there are films. And to me, this is a perfect example of actually, what India really loves, the coming together of Britannia and Filmfare to partner on, for these awards. As we did last year, we are also actually going to roll out a mega consumer activation promotion, which is Britannia Khao Filmfare Jao, where 80 winners will actually get a chance to be on the Filmfare night, the awards night, and be a part of it and enjoy the experience firsthand. So really excited about that, looking forward to it as we kick things off. Very special day again today because I'm sure all of you already know, so Ranveer and Deepika are here. But you also probably will know that Deepika happens to be our brand ambassador on the biggest brand that we have, which is Good Day. So couldn't have asked for a better kickoff to Britannia Filmfare 2015, and looking forward to all the excitement rolling out in the next 1 month or so.
Good evening, everyone. I feel extremely honored and happy that we were invited here today to be a part of this announcement and unveiling. Filmfare has been a very important part of our growing up years. In fact, I can't think of life without the Filmfare Awards. It was the only time in the entire year where us as a South Indian family were allowed to sit in front of the TV and have our dinner. Otherwise, every other time we had to have dinner at the dining table. And religiously, all four of us would serve ourselves and come and sit and watch it. And at that time, the whole thing used to be live. So, my memories of Filmfare goes back so many years. And then of course in 2007 when I won my first Filmfare award for Om Shanti Om, I'll never forget that experience. It was so surreal, I can't even remember my speech. But I just remember going home and hugging my parents and crying because it was so surreal. Like you watch it on TV and then you can never imagine. I never imagined that one day I'll be up on stage with the black lady in my hand. And then again last year, 2 years ago, last year, when I won for Ram Leela again. The feeling of sitting over there and watching me being, first of all, nominated for 3 films in the same year and then winning for one of the 3, it was definitely a very, very, very special moment. But what makes today even more special is the fact that 2 of India's most iconic brands, that's Filmfare and Britannia, coming together. And again, I have a very, very close association with Britannia as well, and I feel really proud and happy to be here and to be a part of your family as well. Coming back to the awards, again, I think we're all a bundle of nerves because we have the Filmfare Awards coming up now on the 15th of Jan, and I would have had 3 releases by then, and I hope that there can be a repeat of 2013, which was such a memorable year for me. And that's it, you know, so wishing all of you the very best. I'm sure it will be a super, super success and you bring so much love and happiness and entertainment to our homes and to all our lives. So thank you so much for that, and we'll see you all on the 15th on the big award day.
Hi, how are you doing? सबको ठंडी लग रही है आई थिंक. हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत ठंडी लग रही है. जितेश, मुझे जिस्मानी गर्मी की सख्त जरूरत है. कुछ करो मेरा. Very happy to be here.
I think we should leave at this point.
Very proud to be here. कैसे मैं immediately शोभा बढ़ा देता हूँ ना किसी भी event. I'm really, really happy and proud to be here to announce to you this year's. Wow. देर आए दुरुस्त आए winters. दिल्ली की सर्दी और जितेश तुम्हारी जिस्मानी गर्मी. Very, very happy and proud to be here, guys. The Filmfare is a brand. Filmfare is so special, so dear to me. Growing up, I used to be a very filmy bacha, you know, and I used to read every. I used to wait for the next Filmfare to come and read it cover to cover. So fascinated by the material and the pictures, and I grew up reading Filmfare, and the Filmfare Awards, of course, it's that annual event that you so look forward to if you're into the movies. It was a very, very special moment for me when I won my first Filmfare Award. The photo is over there. You can see from how wide I'm smiling, how happy I am to have won that award. It was truly special. That award season, I won every award. But Filmfare is extra special, which is why my family was sitting in the audience, the only award show that they were. I remember, I must tell you this little anecdote, in case you've forgotten. My mother used to read this book called The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. And she used to believe in the power of visualization. So she said, you must have this vision board. And on that vision board, you must have images of all your goals and where you want to see, where you see yourself. And one of those images, my sister had photoshopped me holding a Filmfare Award. And she had photoshopped my image. This is during my struggling days. And then in my first year, I went and actually won the award, which was a really, truly special moment for me. I mean, it was literally like a dream come true. So hopefully there'll be more reasons to celebrate. And sir, आपका वो स्कीम क्या था? ब्रिटानिया खाओ, फिल्मफेयर जाओ. मेरे लिए भी आप स्कीम बनाओ सर. ब्रिटानिया खाओ, फिल्मफेयर जीत जाओ. देखो सर, देखो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है. मतलब मेरा नक्की. So yeah, I mean, it's going to be a really, really colorful night, full of entertainment. Definitely something to look forward to on television. Of course, Filmfare is not the only brand one has grown up on. See how I'm feeling. Huh? But thank you all for coming out on this most chilly evening. for some very warm interactions. I promise you, I'm definitely going to be at the Filmfare Awards in Bombay on the 15th of January. And hopefully, you know, it'll be one of those memorable ones. I have a feeling this year it will be. Thank you everybody for coming out this evening.
Deepika, this side please. This side. Thank you.
This side, please.
Thank you.